man can go to the higher planetary system when he is preparing himself to go there. So there are millions and trillions of planets. Wherever you want, you can go. The descriptions are there in the Shastra. But there is another description, the kingdom of God. That kingdom of God is there and beyond this material sky. So we have to take information where that spiritual world is there. You can have it from Vedic literature. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Parastasmat tu bhava anya bhaktya sanatana. There is another nature, the spiritual nature, which is beyond this material nature. That material nature, bhakta means some portion is manifested and some portion is not manifested. And we get information from Bhagavad Gita that the spiritual nature is beyond this manifested and non-manifested cosmic situation. So Krishna says, the Supreme Authority says, Madhyajinopi janti mam. If somebody cultivates Krishna consciousness, he can go there. It is not difficult. Simply you have to change your mode of life. To become Krishna conscious means to be pure in the original spiritual existence. We are pure as Brahma, as spirit soul, but because we have contaminated these material modes of nature, our consciousness is now different. So, on account of different consciousness, there are three classes of men. One class of men is very intelligent, one class of men very passionate, and one class of men fools and rascals. So, in order to understand your promotion to the spiritual world, you have to become first-class man. First-class man means Brahmana. A Brahmana means he is truthful, he is self-controlled, he is simple, he is tolerant. In this way, there are 9 qualifications to become first-class man. And to become first-class man, the preliminary qualification is that you should not become sinful. So, instead of becoming sinful, to become pious, you simply follow these 4 regulative principles. The first principle is illicit sex. That is forbidden. Sex is not forbidden, but illicit sex is forbidden. That is not very difficult. Everyone wants, that is the necessity of the body, that sex, as we want to eat, as we want to sleep, similarly there is sex desire. But if you want to become first-class man, then don't have illicit sex. Except marriage, do not have sex. The human society, therefore human society, there is marriage. There is no marriage in the dog society. So therefore, sex life within marriage and regulative principle, that is not prohibited. That means anyone who follows these rules and regulations, he becomes purified and pious. Without becoming purified and pious, you cannot understand God. It is said therefore in the Bhagavad Gita, Jesam tu antagatam papam jananam punya karmanam te dandamaha nirmukta bhajanti mang dirabrata. Person who is completely free from sinful activities, such person can become a devotee, a lover of God. So this Krishna consciousness movement is teaching to the human society how to become purified. There is no such restriction that this man can be purified, that man cannot be. No, there is nothing like that. Everyone can be purified if he desires to be so. So, immediately we may not be able to purify as it is prescribed. No illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication. It may not be possible because those who are accustomed, it is difficult to give up. Therefore, the process is given very simple, chant Hare Krishna. So, purification is absolute, that is necessary. Without purification, you cannot understand God. But the method we are prescribing, not we are prescribing, it is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prescription, we are simply propagating. The chant Hare Krishna. So I am very glad to see that you Mexican young boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen are coming here and joining the chanting Hare Krishna mantra. So I request you to continue this procedure. Please come here, join this chanting of Hare Krishna mantra and take prasadam and go home. And surely you will be purified and qualified for going back to home, back to Godhead. Thank you very much. Huh?
One has to become pious in order to understand God. So he's asking what type of piety is required in order to understand God.
That we have already said. No illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating, no intoxication.
If it is possible within marriage to achieve perfection.
Yes, human being is meant for marriage, not the cats and dogs. If you can remain without marriage, without sex life, that is very good. But if you cannot, then marry and be gentleman and remain peaceful.
If one can achieve Krishna consciousness outside of sin.
Oh yes, you have to follow the rules and regulations, that's all.
He said, concerning the spiritual world, what is it like and what are the activities of Krishna there?
The same activities, simply there is no simple activity.
When one breaks the principles, can Krishna forgive them?
Yes, Krishna can forgive you once, twice, not one regularly.
But if other people come to the temple, so he says that he feels undoubtedly that by following the process gradually the defects will be eliminated, but if there's any way to more rapidly
If a man comes, follows the regulatory principle, even for some time, and again he falls down, so long he has followed, that asset is permanent. Anything spiritual asset that is never lost. So, little, when it is complete 100%, then you become liberated. Spiritual asset is never lost. So even a person comes to the temple and follows the regulatory principle for some time, again he falls down. He is not loser, he is gainer. Others who do not take this lesson and outside they may perform his so-called duties very perfectly, he is loser. So, at least for some time, let every one of you come here and follow the restriction. And if you become perfect, it's all right. But even if you go away, whatever you have done, that is your permanent asset. That is stated in the Bhagavad. Salpamapi yasya dharmasya trayate mahatu bhaya. And even that little asset can help you to become free from the greatest danger. There are many examples that are stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Therefore, in this human form of life, at least we shall try to get some spiritual asset. So, in the Bhagavad Gita it is stated, even such person falls down. He is given chance next life to take birth in very rich aristocratic family or in a very pious Brahman family. So, little spiritual asset in this human form of life will at least guarantee your next life in a very nice family. But without spiritual life, there is no guarantee whether you are going to become human being or cat or dog.